Hello everyone, I am Nitin Mittal, the Country Manager for Graphics for South Asia Business. Today I will speak about Avery Dennison's commitment towards sustainability and recycling. We look into two ways. One is how we can reduce the material and the component we use and how we can avoid them going into the landfill. The second is how we can continue to explore the opportunities where we can use recycled material into our different component of the solutions. So we're trying a couple of initiatives, and let me start first one with what we started in Australia, a program we call it End Cap Recycling Program. This provides a very easy and cost-effective way to our customer to recycle the plastic end cap. This specific initiative keeps the plastic out of landfill as well as it redirect them into a sustainable manufacturing stream. Second initiative I want to talk about our India team has taken. We have collaborated with multiple stakeholders and we have developed a process where we collect and transport the siliconized release liner to a recycling plant. We are very proud to share we have so far collected and recycled over 80 metric ton of liner waste. We are also very actively exploring the use of packaging material which comes from the recycled and renewable content. And this material has to come from the very much certified sources which help us to further reduce the impact on environment. So we have set up a very clear vision for ourselves. We aim to create a wider network of recyclers and want to make our recycling program which is accessible to more and more customers across the Asia Pacific. In addition to this, we are also committed to keep on finding ways where we can recycle as much as possible, as well as use recycled material into many components of our products. So we believe together we can make a very positive impact on our environment and build a more sustainable future for all of us. My request would be reach out to Avery Dennison representative, understand more about our initiative and program and be part of our journey.